In this video, I'll guide you through the process of updating your bank account in Google AdSense. So if you've switched banks or need to update your payment details, this tutorial will help you get it done. So first, make sure you are on the Google AdSense and sign in with your account, and then once logged in, you'll be redirected to your AdSense dashboard. Now on the left-hand menu, click on the payment section and then click the payments information and then click the add payment to account. So as you can see in here, I don't have yet a payment transaction in here or any bank link in my account here in Google AdSense. So assumingly we have on that. So to add a new bank account, you can click on the add payment method and then fill out the following details for your new bank account, like account holder name, account number, and then SWIFT code or IBAN or IBAN. Include these details if required for international transfers. Then after entering the information, you can select set as primary payment method and if this will be your main bank account. So after that, you can click the save button to confirm the changes. And now, if you want to remove the old bank account, to delete your old bank account, you can return to the Manage Payment Method section and then locate your old bank account there and then click on the Remove button and then confirm the removal. And in some cases, Google AdSense may require a verification of your new bank account. So check your account for a small test deposit from Google and then enter the deposit amount in the verification section of your AdSense account to confirm the change. And that's it. That's how to change bank account in Google AdSense. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.